What is up, KG Babes? We're back with another freaking video. So today y'all might be wondering like, well, why she got her hair like this or whatever. So you guys, I do want to show y'all the difference from my hair 2 years ago, because that's when I got my first cut, to about 2 years ago. And look at the growth, you guys. Like, seriously, look at this. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Oh, this is the back. So today's video, we're going to be putting in and installing my clip-ins. So obviously these need to get re-washed, but we're not going to re-wash them right now. But I'm going to show you guys how I install my clip-ins and blend it in with my real hair. Okay guys, so we're finna just flat iron my hair. I have to flat iron and eat it. Let's get it. Actually, we're gonna just do a rough flat iron because my hair is kind of already like flat ironed a little bit. Okay guys, so we're back. We got our hair flat ironed and everything. So now we're going to start installing our clip-ins. You guys, I literally love doing clip-ins now. Like, it's just me. And if y'all see me, if y'all have done these before and y'all be like, that's not how you do these, mind your business. Okay, because this is how I do mine, and you can also follow along. Very simple. So I have 7 clips. Some of them I did cut down to make 1 clips, but I'm gonna put the link in the description box down below on where to get these clip-ins from, you guys. If you're like, oh, these don't look as good, mind you guys, I've put in oil in these and done so much stuff to it, so I gotta wash them. But the natural look that they were way before this were really, really, really nice. So just to keep that in mind, I don't want y'all to think that these are like very horrible or oily. I do recommend getting 2 boxes if you want a fuller look. Okay, I use my real hair, and the clip-ins, most people braid their hair up, but I'm not one of those people, only because the clip-ins are very, very like thinnish a little bit. Y'all see these? Like, so these are just to make my hair go fuller. So I have 2 clips. So you see these, it's another 2 clip right here, and another 2 clip right here. So this is 3. Look how good that looks. So that's 3 2 clips. And then I have 1 3 clip right here. And this is what this looks like. And then I have a 4 clip in piece right here. And I have 3. Actually, it was one clip, but I had 2 and I divided it. So now I have 3 clip-ins, 3 one piece. Okay, so that's that. Usually I put the 1 pieces closer to my front area. I put the 2 pieces more around my middle, and then I put the 4 piece and the 3 piece more so in the back. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I'm gonna point out which is which as I'm installing these, so you guys can enjoy, listen to the music playing, and yeah, let's get it. You're seeing the back part, we're gonna go ahead and get into the side, and this is where I start like splitting my hair a little bit. So that's gonna be one of the 2 pieces, and usually I like to want you guys to see that, like how I split it around so that this clip can curve, okay? To work on the front. Mind you, we only have these 3 pieces right here, so this is what counts and matters the most, because you want to make sure everything is like super blended. I gotta work with this comb even though it's broken, so let's do it anyways. So for one, I'm gonna go ahead and do my middle part on where I want it to be. So usually I like to take, I'm trying to see which side probably needs it the most. Since I only have 3, I have to throw away another one. So one side is probably gonna be like less even. I'm gonna take each of these and we're gonna split them. This is when you start splitting the front part, and make sure you're doing it correctly. So I'm gonna take one of these. See how that looks. We're gonna split one of these. Make sure you have space. So usually the goal with this one, this last one, I'm trying to figure out. Maybe I can put this like more in the middle. Or because this side blends better than this, maybe I can put it right here. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, you guys, so look at that. And we're gonna straighten it probably, but yeah, this is how it's looking. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. So yeah, this is the hair. I'm gonna show you the back. Like where I'm with my edges out. Like how my black hair just kind of blends. Like obviously I need to flat iron my hair with the clip-ins, but if y'all see, look how good that looks. Just elevated my whole entire look. Okay, so you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you want videos on how to make your clip-ins very versatile, because I'm gonna insert clips of what my hair look like in different styles with the clip-ins, then let me know. Okay guys, so we're out with this video. Stay tuned for the next one.